today showing you how to protect your Louis Vuitton handbags. We're going to talk about the Vachetta and the canvas. You can also use this on any leather handbag or shoes. It's my holy grail product. I've talked about this in tons of other videos, and so many people have asked me to do like a specific step-by-step how-to guide on how to do this. So I'm going to show you exactly how I protect my handbags. If that's what you came here for, then let's get into it. All right, guys, I am going to teach you how to protect your leather handbags, including the Vachetta on the Louis Vuitton, which if you have a Louis Vuitton bag, you know that it is very easy to get the Vachetta dirty. It gets dark over time. Now, this doesn't completely prevent it from turning dark, but it gets it a nice, even honey patina as opposed to a dark, like dirty patina. So this is the product that I use, and I'm going to link it in my description box so that you can purchase it if you want it. It's not expensive at all. I think it's like $7, and I've gone through like 5 of these cans. So this is what I use for all shoes and handbags. It works on both. It pretty much just protects them from rain and stains. I have gotten color transfer on my bags before, and because I sprayed this, I was easily able to wipe it off. I use this on both the canvas, leather, and Vachetta. You are not going to ruin your canvas if you spray it with that, and I personally prefer to spray my canvas with it because that way if I get color transfer in the future, especially if you have any light colored bags, you'll easily be able to wipe it off. Before we get into the step-by-step how to actually do it, I'm going to show you an example of 2 bags so you can see something from the past. So these bags I've had for about the same amount of time, this one a little bit longer. This one I sprayed with the Apple Guard, this one I did not. It's because I bought this one pre-owned and this one I bought brand new from Louis Vuitton, so I did spray it myself. And I wanted to just show you guys what the difference is. I've had both of these bags for about 10 years now. And as you can see, the white one, the handles are much cleaner, they're much lighter, and they're not as dirty. They have a beautiful honey even patina as opposed to the monogram bag, which has a lot of spotting. They're darker, they're browner, this handbag looks a lot more worn than the white one does. And it's really, what I can say because of it is because I use this product. That's really the only difference. When I did buy this one pre-owned, the monogram one, it did have a little bit of use to it, but not a whole lot. And I feel like there's a pretty big difference between the 2 handbags. You can even notice it on the tabs on the side. It's not just the handles, it's mostly the handles, but as you can see, there is a big difference between the 2. All right, so this is one of my newer Louis Vuitton bags, so we're gonna take it outside so I can show you exactly step by step how to spray your handbag. The first thing I would recommend doing is going outside because this does have a chemical smell, so you want to prevent your house from smelling like chemicals. So once you go outside, get in a place that's not too windy, and I would shake the can so that it sprays on evenly. It doesn't matter if you spray horizontally or vertically. The goal is just to cover as much of the bag as possible. You want to get in every single nook and cranny because that is what's going to protect your bag from the weather elements. So once you spray one side, turn your bag over, and then you want to spray the other side as evenly as possible. Your Vachetta is going to get dark. Don't be alarmed. It's going to turn light in a few seconds. I know it's a little scary to see your bag, especially if you just bought it brand new, get dark, but I promise you, I've never ever had any of my bags stay dark. And I've done this for every single handbag that I own, that I bought new, and even after I buy them pre-owned, I still treat them, and I treat all my shoes with this, and I've never had any issues. There's really no wrong way to spray it. Just spray it the best you can to get every single corner. When you spray the actual canvas, it's not necessary, but I like to do it because it's going to protect it from color transfer. So just spray the whole bag. Want to wait a few minutes so that you can let the bag dry. So I usually let it sit in my dining room for about a day or so, and then when I come back, it is completely dry and I can. So now that we did the step-by-step on how to actually spray the bag, This is the same bag and I just sprayed it probably 15 minutes ago. As you can see, it is light again. It is not dark, and I know it's so scary to spray your bags, but I promise you, I've never had issues. It turns light again. My handle is back to normal. There's no spotting. It's not dark. It's back to its original color, and now the canvas is the same way. It is the same color as it originally was, and now everything is protected. All right, guys, that is how you do it. It's pretty easy. I mean, there's really no right way to spray it. Just try to spray it as evenly and as much as you can, and that's it. And it works, I promise. All my handbags, I've done it. So I hope that you guys found this video helpful. Make sure that you subscribe to my channel so you can see more videos like this. I hope you guys have a great day.